former female detention center officer from Mecklenburg County has reached a settlement with the sheriff's office. So Chandler Craig filed a gender discrimination lawsuit against Sheriff Gary McFadden. The lawsuit alleged that she was treated less than favorably when compared to male colleagues. Craig was charged with simple assault and fired, stemming from an incident in the detention center with an inmate. Well, that charge was later dropped. And as part of the settlement, Craig's termination has been rescinded and she will be paid lost wages. All right, let's bring in Chief Legal Analyst Clive Rose to this conversation. So first, this case was gearing up to go to trial. So why settle?
You start looking at the facts. You go through the process of discovery. That's when each side turns over the information that they have. That's after you talk to witnesses. That's after you do your depositions, interrogatories, all the information that would happen before trial. Then you kind of get together and you figure out, well, what is the strength of my case? And you say, what are my defenses to a case that's being brought against me? And when you start to figure those out, you say, well, it's maybe cost efficient for me to go ahead and settle this out for this trial that may drag on for a number of days or however long they anticipate it would be. And so oftentimes it's a number of things that get you to that point, right. But this seemed to be fact-based. If you look at it quickly, this happened a number of years ago, and the wheels of justice turn extremely slow. But in the court of public opinion, the public makes their decision extremely quickly. Once this incident happened, she was fired, she was charged. Like you mentioned, charge was later dismissed, and then she had to file a claim to kind of rebuild her life and try to figure out, well, how do I put the pieces together? And so this settlement is something, as her attorney mentioned, is a step in the direction that she can rebuild her life.
Do we know the details of the settlement?
A lot of the times these details are withheld, but her attorney did say this. They will pay lost wages, cover more than lost wages is what he said, and some type of treatment in terms of rehabilitation, in terms of ensuring that the Sheriff's Department understands that these types of practices shouldn't happen. Training is what they hit home on, but ensuring that situations like this don't happen to other females put in this situation. And again, attempting in removing this type of mark from her employment record. So those three things were the biggest things they were fighting for.
All right, Clive Rose, appreciate your insight as always. Thanks for that.